Hi, this is Dave Gwyndon, and I am the creator and developer of the new Hot Item Finder version 2 software. In this video, I'm going to go through the overview of all the functions and basically where you can find things inside of the software, and explain a little bit about the purpose of the software and how it can help you. I'm also going to show you where to go to get help when you get in trouble using the software, or maybe you lose some links and you need to re-download it, or things of those nature. I'll describe or show you how to do that in just a moment. First, what I want to do is start by explaining, what is Hot Item Finder and basically how can it help you. Well, the main reason that you probably purchased the software program or acquired it in one way or another is that you believe that it's going to help you find hot items on eBay, and in fact, it's exactly what it does. But it's a little bit more than that. You can use Hot Item Finder to also uncover possible product ideas as well as niche ideas. When I say niche or niche, it's basically an area of interest that you'd like to sell in. For example, if you wanted to sell, armchairs or something like that, that would be the furniture niche, for example. Anyhow, the Hot Item Finder, what it does, it provides a whole bunch of tools that you can utilize that will help you research what kind of products out there that will sell very well and what kind of stuff you can get into when you start selling on the internet. Now, you can also apply what you learn or gather from Hot Item Finder not only to eBay, but there's tons of other auction sites like ubid.com, Amazon, there's Yahoo Auctions. You can also apply this to online classified ads such as Craigslist. Another one is Kijiji.com. There's tons of different places you could sell on the internet, but not only on the internet. If you own your own local store in your community, you can also utilize Hot Item Finder to find what people are buying online and possibly use those products in your own store. So there's a lot of things you can do with the software. Next, let me get into showing you where all the features are, talking about the buttons and different things like that, and how to navigate in the software. First, I'd like to mention that I'm running the software on the Windows Vista Home Edition. In fact, I actually designed the software using Windows Vista. So it should work on your Vista machine no matter what. It also should work on Windows XP and previous versions of Windows operating system. Now, what I'm going to do is talk about all the different functions here on the main menu bar. The first one, obviously, is the exit button. The next one, if you want to get help, which you're actually watching the help videos right now, if you click this button, what it should do is open up a web page, and as I'm recording this, I don't have the help videos uploaded here yet, but as soon as I finish all the help videos, I'll be putting them on that web page that you see here, and to access that web page, you simply just click the help button, and it should open it up in your default browser. If you'd like, you can also bookmark this link, because I'm not going to change it. It's hotitemfinder.com/help v2 /. Now, if for some reason your browser won't display the page, all you have to do is type in the word index.php. It's just another way of getting to this web page. Just sometimes some people have different settings on their computer. It could be something to do with your antivirus software or spyware software or something like that. I'm not sure. This is just a regular HTML page. There's nothing fancy here, but it just may not work. So anyhow, just wanted to mention that. The next button here is the About. So if you click the About button, it'll just show up here, and it just basically tells you the version, the title of it, and a few other websites I own myself. And there's a little button here called Earn Cash. I'm going to talk about that in a minute. That's the affiliate program. Actually, what I'll probably be doing is providing a separate video talking about the affiliate program. And that relates to this button here. So if you actually click that button, it goes to the affiliate program. Now, this is my old website that you see here. I am currently updating it right now. It won't look like this, but the affiliate program is exactly the same. Meaning that when you go sign up for the affiliate program, it's going to be the same one. But I don't want to get into that in this video. You'll have to watch the affiliate video. Okay? The next one here is updates. So I'm just going to click the updates button. Again, it's going to go to my old website. This is not what it's going to look like soon. It's going to look like this. This is the downloads page, and it will be located in this location here. It'll be /download.php. Now the download.php web page. Now, what it's dedicated to, this is where you can always go to download the latest version of the software. I got some detailed instructions here how to install the software. Sometimes I run a little ad here. If you're interested, I wouldn't mind if you go ahead and take a look at it. Here I also keep a running track here of, or a record of all the recent modifications I've done. So say for example you've installed a certain version of the software and you're wondering if there's an update. All you have to do is click that updates button. You come to this web page and you can compare the version that you have. You can see the version number right here. This page, this right here that you're looking at, is actually just a web page. And I'll be updating this web page. It's pretty ugly right now. It's just blank, basically with white. But there'll be some text on here telling you the current version. And like I already mentioned before, if you click the About button, you can also find the version number right here, and that's where you can do a comparison to the current version right here. This is the current version that's uploaded on the internet. And to access that current version, that file, all you got to do is click this link here, and you'll download the executable file. Now, in some people's computers, your computer may not, or your browser may not let you download executable file. Usually the antivirus software will have some sort of mechanism in there that won't let you. In that case, try the zip file. It's just a compressed file containing the zip file. And to unzip a zip file is very simple. What I use is a tool called ZipGenius. I have a link here. If you click that link, it'll go to a website called zipgenius.it. And you can download this software for free. I use it all the time. It's great. Been using it for about a year now. It's very easy to use. Just go to Downloads here and click on ZipGenius. And then download it to your computer. You can select the download here, download.com. I'll also go all the way through here and click Download Now. And then you save it to your computer somewhere. I'm not going to do that because it's already installed on my computer. And once it's installed, what you do is you first download this file. So I'll go ahead and save it somewhere on my computer. I'll just resize this so you can see what I'm doing. Let's go ahead and just save it in this location here. And we'll go to that directory. Okay, there's that zip file. Now to unzip a zip file, once you have ZipGenius installed, it's very simple. You just right click, and from this little menu here, you'll see ZipGenius, extract here. And you have the setup file and you can go ahead and install it. But of course you most likely already know how to install the software because you are watching the help videos. Anyhow, I just want to mention how to do that. Moving on, I have another button here called Testimonial. So if you click that button, it goes to a web page where you can type in your testimonial. Here you can write a little bit about the product, some contact information if you'd like. Now here's a little recommendation for everyone that's watching this video. If you like the software, go ahead and write your comments in here. And down here, if you have a website link, go ahead and stick your website in there. For example, I have another website called auctionyan.com. Go ahead and click Next. And you have the option to call this number. It's toll free, and you can leave a voice message for me. And then I can put that voice message on my website. Click Next if you don't have to. You can upload a little picture of yourself if you'd like. You have a digital camera. All you gotta do is take a picture of the digital camera, put it on your computer, and upload it here if you'd like. Click Next, and that's it, and you're done. And that website will close. And then what that does, that sends me a testimonial. And then what I'll do for you in return, if you do that for me, is on my main website. What I'll do is I'll go to the main page here for you. Like I said, it's not online yet. Okay. What I do here is I'm going to be putting testimonials on this web page, and as you can see at the bottom here, testimonials. Well, if you give me a testimonial, what I'll do is I'll put your testimonial in here, and I'll also put your website link there, so that if anyone comes to my website and happens to go to your website, you get instant and free traffic. And I get quite a bit of traffic to my website. Sometimes it's upwards around 200 visitors per day. So that could definitely benefit you. So I recommend giving me a testimonial. That's if you like the software. If you don't, you can always leave me a negative testimonial. That's how I learned how to make things better, is by getting negative feedback, and I take that negative feedback and try to make it positive for everyone. Okay, the next button here, if you click on this, goes to a web page where I keep a whole bunch of resources. I'm going to be updating this. I haven't updated this for a little while, and I'm going to go through here and update all these resources and make this page a little bit nicer. But you can always come back here and take a look at some of the latest resources you can utilize for basically using eBay or making money online one way or another. And this button here again is just the affiliate program, and I'll provide another video for that. Now, you're all probably wondering what this mystery button's all about. Well, it's a mystery button. You're just going to have to open the software and click that button to see what it is. Let's move on to the hot items section here. So here in this section, or these are called tabs, so you call it the hot item tab if you'd like. There's a whole bunch of useful information in here. Well, useful functions, I should say. Here's a keyword search. This is where you can enter keyword to look for hot items. Here's a category search. You can enter a certain category number, and to find a category number, all you gotta do is click the categories button here and go through here. Again, I'm just going through this really quickly. Here are some functions. Basically the tools you need to deal with all the data that you collect here, and here's some other tools here that I'll be talking about in different videos. If you go over to this section here, which is the tools section, you'll have a whole bunch of what I like to call analysis tools. Popular searches tool. Again, there's functions along here that you can utilize in this section here. Same with each one. It's kind of how it's organized. I'll be providing separate videos for each one of these tools and teach you exactly how to utilize them so that you can get the maximum out of this software. So basically that's all I have done so far in Hot Item Finder, and I always welcome your feedback, as I would love putting more and more features in here based on what you want to have in the software. Because if you're not happy with the software, well, I'm not happy with the product either. So all you got to do is send me your comments to at davegwindensupport.com,